In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how you can use the harmonic minor scale to improve the fluidity of your playing. This lick I'm going to show you allows you to develop smoother and smoother abilities as you continue to just keep playing it over and over and over. Once you memorize it, if you continue to use this and put it into your playing will improve drastically over time and will continue to do so for as long as you continue to use this lick. Here is the lick in its first original format, beginning on the E note of the B harmonic minor scale. We're going to move to the next octave, beginning on the E again. And finally. So if you just begin this lick using standard triplets, you'll get. And you just keep playing it over and over again, and it just gets smoother and smoother. Now, if you wanted to add a 16th note triplet to this, which I do explain in another video, you would sound like this. Sixteenth note triplets add a little bit of flair to the lick. So if you want to see them, they're in another video that I have. If you like what you're watching, subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this. I hope these videos help you reach your personal best. I break down guitar into simple, easy forms that we can all understand. Have a great day. I'll see you in the next video.